Made such an impression, but he is the substitute, and Cadrian Alexander-Arnold have recovered Jimenez's absence. Former Liverpool defender Kiana Hoover's on the bench, and Liverpool with a fourth. They have never.
To pick up a knock.
Andy Robertson with the outswinger.
An inside left midfielder.
A free kick right.
Wolves are, well, they should try to play.
Kelleher just got back. And Liverpool force another corner. 6 in total for Liverpool as it's swung in very deep. It's Dendonka. Shape on the ball from Neto, but it didn't have the elevate after a couple of VAR decisions went their way.
Yeah, well, I think Liverpool
played together on a couple of occasions this season and kept clean sheets on both occasions. In from Robertson this time, and Rui Patricio had plenty of has it here from Semedo's pass, and that's cleverly done as well, but Neto had made his run. Oh, beautifully done between Mane and Firmino and Robertson.
This part of it's very good, and just I think Cody just got caught.
Just away from the stride of Jones, which gives Traore the...
Here, that was the one when he just had a little... I thought there might have been a little focus on that side for a while, but it's not been the case.
Or otherwise for Traore. Podence with a clip, and Kelleher with an...
Feet very quickly, Kelleher, to get in position, and that's another fine save he's made.
Ball slightly behind him, but still able to dig out across. Duty to run at Fabinho, and he's just danced past him. Two to try and pick out in the middle, and he couldn't find.
The route was perfect. The pace on it was
active earlier on with a couple of goals at Arsenal in the first half last week.
And Semedo had to be very careful in the contact he was making.
Cody, oh, could be fatal. It is.
Chest it, keep it away from Salah, and he just didn't get enough on the chest to make here the Wolves skipper to head it or take it on the sharpness that he knew he probably would have needed.
Connor Cody, lifelong Liverpool fan with a moment to forget. Did make 3 appearances for Liverpool as a combatant, but it's certainly come against the run of the attempts that were being created. Mane.
Oh, it's
Martinho, Semedo.
They were greeted by fans on the cup. It was actually quite an emotional experience.
But it's Liverpool on the front foot again. Firmino just trying to Wolves on the front foot here, and Kelleher's handling again is short.
He just paused and then went again, and Nico Williams couldn't match him.
Target from there.
I mean, that's a wonderful ball from Jordan Henderson from that position.
Back to his captain. Henderson's ball is an excellent run from Mane, but good. To stretch out a long leg to steer it away, and then Martinho came.
As we know, it just lacked a little power, and it was.
It is Salah. It's comfortable for the goal.
So it would turn inwards, but there's a problem here for Curtis Jones. Yeah, I mean,
and if it's a throw, she's full, but Firmino's touch just ran away from him a little. That's a decent ball in. Trying to prevent the cross. Matip coming across to do likewise.
Well, it's that, because and then the arm went back.
Driven in with pace. To get back on level terms.
Well, I think the whole debate is going to be.
And Jordan Henderson is absolutely into the fray. Bolly trying to keep it alive for Wolves. I believe that's the case. He will reverse it.
There's no contact. I mean, he actually withdraws his leg. It's
such an ebullient character, Connor Cody. He did look a little bit sheepish. To the spot for an alleged foul by Mane on Cody.
Former Liverpool player who did appear once in the Premier League.
The only unbeaten record on their own turf too, and looks set to with the ball forward, which appeared to hit Semedo on the arm, potential. Semedo with the ball.
Your goalkeeper is
Flipped in by Salah, and Semedo couldn't get there.
Going to find him, and it's a delightful ball from Mo Salah to do that. The first time.
Flipped in by Jones. Decent defensive header for
protest whatsoever. Yeah, I mean, volley.
Neto in that relatively unfamiliar role on the right. Marcel
Silva, who came on at the Emirates and then was replaced. That burst of acceleration, which is
into that area. Kelleher again with an important Traore, and he's found his way through, and it's a.
He knew that he couldn't gather it and keep it, so he had to.
With everyone backing off, and that
to look for the support and to slip somebody else in. But you know, a situation like that when you're outnumbering the opposition, Wijnaldum does exactly that, and that is
with a 2-on-1, the result inevitable. It's in towards Wijnaldum. Then Donker got it away. Cody with £10 for him when he'd only ever started one top-flight game. Youngster. As was the case in Williams. Courtesy all over the top here for Robertson. Robertson's cross, turning master. Make headway deep into Wolves' territory. Again, it's Robertson that supplies the cross. Clipped in by Salah. Such an inviting ball.
And he's basically just saying to those in there, go and attack it. The pressure on the way he works the space, Mo Salah. And this is just a perfection. And then
fans back in Anfield. Liverpool. Trent Alexander-Arnold on to replace him. Crossing too deep for Fabio Silva.
Just gone down the middle. I mean, he beats Alexander-Arnold with ease, and he should be looking to.
Still Salah goes brilliantly. Stayed on it.
It was beautiful skill from him, the way he put Marcel on his back.
To have a more balanced looking team. Jones. Straight at Rue Patrice. Excellent game. Alexander-Arnold. What a ball that is. 4-0.
Ace. And yeah, it's a ricochet. It catches Semedo. Arnold is so high. He's just got all the room in the world. And when you give him that, go down as an own goal to the Portuguese.
To replace him. Player signed on loan from Porto, who's only played about half an hour. In from Traore, queuing up for it at the far post. It's Aitnari.